how to use Wix Spaces app, basically a little short tutorial. So the Wix Spaces app lets you manage your Wix website and of course communicate with clients, track business activity directly from your phone. So in general, if you want to go ahead and use this, you're going to have to open your App Store or Play Store, of course, and download the app itself. So go to your Play Store and search for Wix Spaces, and it should be pretty much right here, which is Spaces Follow Businesses, and by Wix.com. Install the app and just go ahead and log into your account. If you already have an account, that's simple as logging in, of course, but if not, you can go ahead and sign up. It's pretty simple. You use your Gmail or Facebook or an email account and you will be directly led to your spaces over here. So once logged in, you'll see your connected websites. You can tap the site you want to go ahead and manage, and from the dashboard you can view messages, you can manage bookings, you can track orders for online stores and post updates while monitoring site activity. So to message your clients, you can go to the inbox tab or chat where you can reply to customer inquiries in real time. So for online stores though, you can go to the orders and confirm. You can update or mark orders as completed. If you run bookings or services, you can use the booking section to manage appointments and availability, while you can also create posts, upload photos, and send announcement to members through the app. So in general, if you want to go ahead and explore the Spaces app itself, it's pretty user-friendly and very accessible. You can join other people or join other sites with a code, so you can ask for those codes if you like. You can go to your profile over here, you can edit it whatever you like. You have a My Activity for groups, events, subscriptions, save posts, and orders as well. A few actions over here like joining a site and even creating your own site is pretty much directly found in the app itself. And if you want more support, there's help and feedback right here in the My Profile section and on the very bottom. So that's pretty much the general idea and a few features on how the Spaces app works. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.